What's going on, guys? Ethereum, it's just going to, I don't know even where it's going. Maybe it's going to the moon, but it seems like we're already past the moon, considering the fact that 3,000 was really one of the levels that we really didn't expect to hit it as quick as we did. And not only that, but it did go way over 3,000. Actually, I'm looking at 3,400 at the moment, 15% on the daily. Man, this is huge. This is huge. The weekend was just crazy. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, is kind of lagging a little bit, but we all know that when Bitcoin starts, you can't really stop it until the next resistance. So, why the heck SOS Limited didn't close in the green? Okay, well, first of all, Riot did close at 4.5%. Marathon Digital 1.5%, eBay International 6.6%. So considering the current miners trading session today, I would consider SOS Limited to be kind of limiting the damages, okay? But over the weekend, we're looking at Bitcoin prices, Ethereum prices, and we're all expecting SOS Limited to skyrocket today. But the reason why I didn't, first of all, SOS Limited is a Chinese company, and because it's a Chinese company, even though it's registered the ADR here on the US market, it's still a Chinese company, and right now they are going through the Labor Day. The equivalent of our Labor Day. It takes a whole week. So this entire week, I don't expect anything to be coming out of SOS Limited, because we are all waiting from that press release around whether or not they finally managed to install the mining machines for Ethereum. We had that news coming out last week that right now they'll be able to also mine Ethereum on top of Bitcoin, which was really a great news, because the more coins they can mine outside of Bitcoin, the more revenues. And given the fact that Ethereum, according to some experts, is going to outgrow in terms of market capitalization, Bitcoin in the years to come, given the fact that it has a lot more concrete day-to-day usage, compared to Bitcoin, because the network has so many things you can use, on a concrete business. So that may be why we are seeing Ethereum surge, because but again, guys, Bitcoin is definitely going to the 150k towards the end of this year. That's what is on the street, but that's basically why we didn't fly today. So expect some press release, as soon as we get some fresh news coming from SOS Limited, around those, mining machines installed for Ethereum. I think definitely with the current prices, or even if we drop around the 3,000 mark, I can expect this to start, peaking again. But guys, you have to keep in mind that this is a high shorted stock. So across the board, it seems like shorts are trying really hard to keep this really low. Not only SOS Limited, but all the miners in general. For how long will it last? I have no idea. I can't really tell you that, guys. But I do know that it won't be the case forever. Okay, at a point, the buying pressure will be so high, money will start flowing back into these companies, especially SOS Limited, with the variety of services they are offering, and they will offer in the near future. I definitely see this to spike at the moment, but until then, I will keep holding my shares really, really tight. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next one.